Declutter. Begin by purging items you no longer need or use. Categorize. Group like items together for easier access and tidier storage. Use drawer organizers. They're great for utensils, baking tools, and even dishes. Maximize cabinet space. Use shelf risers, undershelf baskets, and hooks on the inside of cabinet doors. Use clear storage. See-through containers. Allow you to identify contents quickly. Label everything. Particularly for pantry items, labels can make finding what you need a breeze. Store items by use. Keep items you use frequently in the most accessible places. Use the space above cabinets. Baskets or decorative bins can be placed here for infrequently used items. Install a pot rack. If space allows, hanging your pots and pans can free up a lot of cabinet space. Use lazy Susans, ideal for corner cabinets and the fridge, making items easily accessible. Invest in a kitchen cart. A mobile cart can provide extra storage and workspace. Add hooks. Install hooks under cabinets to hang mugs, utensils, or dish towels. Utilize the inside of cabinet doors. Attach racks or organizers for extra storage space. Store baking sheets. Vertically. Use tension rods or custom dividers to create narrow slots for baking sheets and cutting boards. Sort your spice rack. Alphabetize, categorize by cuisine, or even organize by frequency of use. Use fridge organizers. They can help keep your fridge tidy and make the best use of space. Store items near their point of use. Keep pots and pans near the stove, coffee items near the coffee maker, etc. Group cleaning supplies. Keep them together under the sink with a pull-out organizer. Try a magnetic knife strip. It saves counter space and keeps knives easily accessible. Use a utensil jar. For frequently used cooking utensils, a jar on the counter provides easy access. Hang a pegboard. Julia Child famously used one. It's great for hanging anything from pots and pans to tools. Organize Tupperware and lids separately. Store containers and lids in separate drawers or bins for easy access. Add additional shelving. Consider open shelving or a baker's rack for extra storage. Designate a baking area. If you bake often, keep all your baking supplies in one convenient area. Use a rolling pin holder. It keeps the rolling pin accessible but out of the way. Use a cookbook stand. It keeps the book open to the right page and saves counter space. Keep a trash and recycling station. Have separate labeled bins for trash and different types of recycling. Add a wire basket for cookbooks. If you have a collection of cookbooks, this is a neat storage solution. Store appliances you rarely use. Keep them out of the way until they're needed. Use dividers for pots and pans. Similar to baking sheets, storing them vertically can save space. Invest in a dish rack. Opt for one that matches your kitchen decor and maximizes the available space. Create a coffee or tea station. Store coffee or tea, sweeteners, mugs, and the coffee maker or kettle all together. Try a utensil divider. They can keep your utensils organized in the drawer. Use over-the-door racks. These can be placed over pantry doors for extra storage. Stack pans. Use pan protectors to prevent scratches. Store food in airtight containers. This keeps food fresh longer. Utilize the space on top of the fridge. It's a great spot for larger items or things you don't use often. Pan protectors to prevent scratches. Store food in airtight containers. Add a kitchen island. If you have space, it can add storage and countertop space. Install appliance lifts. If you have heavy appliances, an appliance lift can be a handy addition. Create zones. Organize your kitchen by creating zones for cooking, prepping, cleaning, storage, and food preparation. Hang towels and aprons. Hooks or a towel bar can keep them tidy and within reach. Decant bulk items. Decant items like flour, sugar, and cereal into clear labeled containers. Use a basket for fresh produce. A ventilated basket can store fruits and veggies that don't need refrigeration. Add a wire shelf for dishes. It can double your storage space in a cabinet. Implement a file organizer for Tupperware lids. They keep lids separated and easy to find. Try out a can organizer. It's a game changer for pantry organization. Invest in a wine rack. It keeps bottles stored on their sides, which is important for corked wines. Use a magnetic fridge organizer. It's great for storing small items like spices or condiments. Keep a step stool. For those hard-to-reach cabinets, a folding step stool is invaluable.